Hi guys, I'm here today to show you how to apply Bella beads. First, we're going to section her hair. But right now, I want to see the longest track to see if it measures properly. And then from there, I'll go and I'll check everywhere else. What I love most about this is that it's pre-cut and ready for us, just like clip-ins. In order to apply this, I'm going to hold it upside down. I'm going to take a section of her hair, pull it through the loop. Now I'm going to pull the loop through, and you no longer need this. So you pull the strands and you take your pliers and you squeeze, making sure you get the track as close as possible to the scalp. Make sure not to put the track too close to the scalp, otherwise it will hurt her. You want to give it about a 1/4 inch distance away from the scalp so it can have mobility. So this is the longest track that Bella beads have, and it's perfect for this section. You want to make sure to leave out her hairline so that the extensions can look the most natural. As easy as it is to go in, it's easy to come out. Separate the hair from the track. Now, the way the clip is, it's laying flat. I want you to go from both sides of it and make it round again. Do it to all of them.
There's many ways to use our Bellabeads micro links hair extensions. It can be used as the micro links, regular weaving for sewing, or for a clip-in hairstyle. This product allows room for versatile hairstyles, and best of all, it's available in a variety of colors. For the removal of the link, the pliers are used to cut the yarn holding the existing links and allow for easy removal with no damage to the hair. As you remove all the existing links, you can remove the excess pieces of yarn for a clean and good as new hair extension weft. This is now ready for the new links, general weaving, or clip-ins. Once you remove the existing links, you can attach new ones by sewing on the beads. This is achieved by holding the new bead closely to the weft. You first insert the needle between the bead and under the weft to secure a tight hold with the same sewing motions and repetition. Once you have added your desired amount of beads, the hair is ready for a fabulous install. Now for a general weaving hairstyle, this is accomplished by using a needle and thread. You will begin by sewing the weft under the first braid and sewing it underneath the braid, so that when it is pulled up, the weft is undetectable. You can use these as clip-ins in quick and easy steps. Our self-fit clips allow for easy attachment and comfort. Once the existing links have been removed, you have a nice clean weft. You can attach the self-fit clips onto the weft. The self-fit clips are placed on the weft and pushed securely into the sides of the clips for an easy application. Our self-fit clips shut by pressing down on the sides and open by pressing the center and pulling up on the sides. Now you can feel stylish and comfortable all day long.